Welcome to video number 2 for Popeye the Sailor Man theme song. We're going to break down measures 1 through 4. We're going to learn those first 4 measures for this song, okay? All right, so remember the finger position is middle C position. And we learned that in the previous video. If you skip that video, you need to go back to video number 1 and watch the finger position video and follow my instructions on that so that you'll be better prepared to play this song, okay? All right. Now, this song is in what we call 3/4 time signature. What that means is we're going to count in threes. So it's counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. So we're counting in groups of threes. All right. So let's look at what we have. So for the left hand, remember this is a bass clef right here, this sign right here, also known as the F clef. And our first note that we have on the 1 is going to be G, and we're going to play G with our ring finger, okay? So everything on this staff, this bass clef staff, is all left hand, and everything above it on this treble clef staff or G clef staff is going to be right hand, okay? So we always remember that in piano. Now, in piano, treble clef means right hand, bass clef means left hand. There are some instances where it might be a little bit different, but in those songs, I will let you know when we come across that, okay? But for now, treble clef is right hand, treble clef is right hand, bass clef is left hand. So we're starting out with a G, and then we have B with the left index finger, and at the same time you're playing D with the right index finger together, okay? So what we have, the first group in measure 1, you have G and then BD, BD together. That's what you have. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's measures 1 through 4. All right, let's do that again, and I'm going to do it slow. So first, let's do our left ring finger playing G. Now let's do our left index finger and right index finger playing B and D, and do it again. Let's go back to the left ring finger for G, and then both of our index fingers for BD, and then back to G, and then BD, BD, and then one last G. And that's what you have, okay? All right, let's do this in time, all right? I'm going to play it 5 consecutive times, and what you want to do, you want to make sure you can play this correctly 5 consecutive times, okay?
1, set, go.
All right, that's 1.
1, set, go.
All right, that's 2.
1,
so here's
set,
3.
go.
All right, here's 4.
1, set, go.
And here's 5.
1, set, go.
And before I forget, we have what's called a dynamic sign. This F right here means forte. Forte means to play loud, okay? Or that means for piano, you're going to hit the keys kind of hard, all right? So not soft where you see, that's soft. But if I were to play forte, I hit the keys a little bit harder. Now, also, these dots that are on your quarter notes that we have, okay, these dots are staccato dots. And what that means is we're going to play them quick. So we don't play the note like this, where we hold it. But with the staccato dots, you're playing quick attacks like that. So when you see those dots above or below the notes, that means staccato. Now, when you see a dot beside a note, that's going to add an extra beat to the note beside the note. But these are above and below the notes. So those are staccatos. All right. And once you are able to play this video 5 times correctly, then you're ready to move on to the next video.